So here we are with one of our local pythons. Now we're on the central coast of New South Wales, and basically this is how the carpet snakes look down this part of the world, and we call this one a diamond python. It's a non-venomous species, but that's not to say it doesn't have teeth. They've got about 80 teeth. They're very sharp, recurved, so it's basically like fish hooks, and when they strike at their prey, the fish hook teeth grab hold, they put a few coils around, and then they constrict them. On the sides of their mouths, it looks actually, if you look at the side of their face, it looks like you can see their teeth, but they're actually heat sensors. So they're excellent for nocturnal hunting. The snake will pick up minute changes in temperature. That helps them track their prey. People are often asking me, you know, I've got a python in my backyard, or there's a python on my veranda, or I think there's a python living in my roof. Should I be worried about it? And the answer from my perspective is no. It's not a danger to your family. It'll certainly help control rats and things that get in your roof like that. And coming springtime, they'll move out of the roofs, they'll move into the gullies, they'll look for other snakes to breed. They'll then cruise around, you know, woodlands and ridgetop areas. And as things start to cool down, that's when they look for a suitable spot to hibernate. And in many cases, that happens to be the inside of your roof, where they can find a nice, stable environment, and they might winterise there, and so you probably wouldn't see them again until they come out in spring. But as you can see, Frankie, as Lizzie's named him, is a very inoffensive snake. They're not known to be aggressive at all. And the diamond python is basically a black coloured snake with these beautiful diamond spots along the body, which gives it an extraordinary camouflage. So you imagine if you're looking into a bit of forest, or you're looking into some, you know, thick forest plants, and the light's all mosaic and broken up. In that environment, it's almost impossible to see these guys. They've got a very powerful grip too. I don't usually recommend, if you've got one with your kids and that, I don't recommend wrapping them around your neck. They're not going to try and strangle you, but they are going to try and hold on, and your neck's nice and warm, so they hold on to that and squeeze down on your arteries there. And that can cause people to lose consciousness. So when I display them, if we're going to take a photo with Lizzie, I might get him up here. We'll put him around your shoulders, and we're going to hold on to your armpit, because the snake likes somewhere to hold on to. And then you're going to put your hands forward and just support the snake. And bang, there's your perfect snake portrait. And we haven't got it around your neck. So this one's probably about 6 or 7 years old, and may live to a healthy 20, 25 years, just depending on how their luck pans out.